Hey, welcome everyone to unboxing the Sony LinkBuds Open, truly wireless earbuds. So there's some minor features listed on top of the box. Majority of it is pretty dull and boring, which is kind of weird for a company as large as Sony, but I mean, I guess they can also rely on their brand name, right? They're so huge, so they don't have to really plop a whole bunch of stuff on the box, but to each their own for their decision. So it has some quick information on how to get set up and started, but we'll just kind of skip on past that. We want to get straight into the case and the earbuds themselves. The case is pretty small. It's pretty reminiscent of the LinkBuds Fit, which I've also reviewed. You can find a link to that review in the video description. So here they are. Very unique style. They're open earbuds. That's literally in the name. So be interested in seeing how they perform in day-to-day usage because I will be reviewing them, going through a very thorough review and testing. A link to the review will also be in the video description. Surprise, surprise, right? So continue with the unboxing. Now that the case and earbuds are out of the way, we'll go back to them shortly. I just want to make sure there's nothing missed in the box. So here's the very tiny USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Really short, but it should be good enough. There's like a sample pamphlet. Like it gives you a code for free trial of sample audio stuff. I don't want to show it on the screen. Safety and warranty information for Canada and US. And another quick start guide. So it's weird that they have this lengthy one because I don't think it's just a quick start guide. It seems to have safety information as well. That's pretty much it. So again, links to the review will be in the video description. Be sure to check it out, and that's pretty much a wrap. So be sure to check out my website and social media links also in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.